Good evening, friends. Welcome to Wealth Fusion. Our yesterday's stock performance: two stock hit our first target, and one stock was not active, and one more stock was closed above our buy range, but it did not hit our target and not nor our stop loss. So let us see our Nifty for tomorrow. So Nifty, as we analyzed yesterday, you can see the same scenario has fallen. So what we told yesterday is if gap down opening based on price action you trade, so the trade would be here. So and you can see there is a huge uptrend, and as we told there would be resistance at this point. So the Nifty had closed exact over this point. So for tomorrow, if market opens flat, so you can expect resistance over at this level, and support will be this level. So based on this, take trade. If market opens a huge gap up around this level, you can find who have traded on this move. There are chances of huge profit booking due to gap up. So trade based on the price action, and market opens gap down. So similar way, you can trade based on the 5 minutes chart price action, and once breakdown you can trade accordingly, and the resistance will be same at this level. There will be a resistance, and this level around it will be a support range. Let us see bank nifty for tomorrow. And for today you can see the way we explained yesterday. The market opened gap down, and you can see an uptrend, and once that breakdown had happened, and you can see a very good uptrend move in the bank nifty, and as we told the resistance would be at this level in yesterday's analysis, and so the bank nifty had just exactly closed at this point. If market opens flat, so just wait for the eye to be crossed, and once it crossed at this level, the resistance will be at around this levels. If it is a gap up opening, then there will be almost a profit booking. We had all buyed at these levels, there will be a huge profit booking. So there are chances of market coming down once gap up is open. So take this levels as support and trade according to the price action. So if it is a gap down opening tomorrow, so this level will act as a support, and yesterday's closing, I mean today's closing level, would act as a resistance. So there might be a selling pressure if it is a gap down opening, but the market seems very positive. So do not be panic at the initial move. So there are chances of bouncing back at these levels with the support, and it might go towards uptrend. So let us see our first stock, SBIN. In SBI, you can see a very good support at this area, formed a very good bullish candle. So tomorrow we can buy this stock at 422 with stop loss 417, and the first target will be 427, and second target will be 432. Our next stock, Cadillac Healthcare. In this, as we told you yesterday, the buy was active in our range, and it has formed a very good bullish candle, and the momentum is still very good in this. So we can continue with this stock, and so you can buy this at 632 with the stop loss 628, and the first target will be 637, and the second target will be 642. Our next stock, Tata Steel. In Tata Steel, after a couple of days of downtrend, you can see a very good bullish candle formed today. So tomorrow we can go with for buy once it breaks this today's closing, this at around 1111. with the stop loss 1105, and the first target will be 1117, and the second target will be 1123. In IndusInd Bank, you can see a very good bullish candle which is formed in last 2 days trading session, where it shows a very good buying pressure. So you can buy this at 1011 with the stop loss 1006, and the first target will be 1070, and the second target will be 1023. So thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe to our channel, and also Telegram link will be in description. And Nifty and Bank Nifty trades will be not available for next few days, since we are having some working on other strategy. So we are coming up with very good videos in future days. So do share this with your friends and family, and do support us. Thank you. Have a great day.